Hey everybody, it's Matrix here, chat room moderator of BRT, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I scan nightly for the plays and my watch list, specifically the secret sauce setup that I talked about in the previous video. So let's get on to it. First of all, let's bring in my browser here. Okay, so what I do on a nightly basis is, first of all, I go to FinViz, open a new tab, hit the FinViz, and here we have FinViz. FinViz is finviz.com. It's basically a free platform that you can use to scan. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm looking for. It's free, so sign up for an account and then you can set your screeners here. I have 3 scans for the evening every night. Most of the time I use the top gainers and the daily green as well. So let's go with the daily green. And as you can see, I'm looking for prices over the $3 mark. Average true range. Average true range is basically an average price of the range of how much a stock is moving within the day for the past 14 days. Okay, so average true range of $1.50. So any stocks, any results that come out, that'll be their average true range is moving about $1.50 and more. Okay, so basically, if the stock does not have range, I'm not really interested in it. So if I to bring it down to 25 cents, you get a lot more results, but a lot of these charts or a lot of these tickers don't move as much on the 25 cents mark. I'm looking for something that can really move, right? Change, I'm looking for 5%, and relative volume. Without volume, that means nobody's trading it. So relative volume is very important. I set a minimum of 1.5 of its 1.5 times over its last 3 months average volume. Change from the open is up, and the current volume, I want at least 500K. Most of the time, the stocks that I trade has a volume of over 1 million anyways, so we can actually set that up, right? All right. So 500K or to 1 million, minimum of that. So the more volume, the better, because that shows that traders are paying attention to it. So after running the scan, you'll see that you're basically getting stocks on these daily charts that are showing my secret sauce setup, right? So look at this, 35 and down, ALT, interesting. And then GWPH running right back up, interesting, right? So you see a couple runs. And this one, Tandem, is about to start. So I basically look at the daily charts here, and let's pick one right now. Let's pick Tandem, right? Tandem daily chart, hit the advanced button. You get trend lines, you get moving averages and everything. So everything is built in on FinViz. It's fantastic as a screener. Okay, so that's my daily green scan. If I go to scanners again, and I go to top gainers. Now, top gainers, the parameters are a little bit easier, right? So the average volume is over 750K. The relative volume, once again, over 1.5. Current volume over 1 million, and price over 10 bucks. I like to trade stocks a little bit over 10 bucks. Ooh, UA. Under Armour is working today. So very interesting. As you can see, it basically just filters out and narrows down a lot for you. And once I see these daily charts, I find what I am looking for. Most of the time, it would be my secret sauce setup. So a stock that has been running a lot, hitting key resistance, and it'll show me on the daily chart. Okay, so let's just say I want to look at UAA. All right, so UAA, you get all your information here, more ads, But all your information is here, right? So average true range about 64 cents. All right, I want to pay attention to the earnings date, next earnings date. I want to pay attention to relative volume, average volume, right? And current volume. And once I find all these daily charts that I'm interested in, what I want to do is write it down on a separate piece of paper, mark off all the tickers, and then I would go into my platform and look at it further for like details, right? So last night we talked about Red Hat, right? Okay, so I just basically look through it, look through the chart, and make my ideas from there. Very simple, very easy. You got your daily greens, you got your top gainer scans, watch and rewatch this video, set those parameters again. And I also have a daily red screener as well. So daily red screener is basically the same exact thing as the daily green screener, except instead of up 5%, I'm looking for down 5% and change from the open, the stock is down, right? And here you have all the results. Okay? So that's it. That's how I scan for stocks. Finviz. Oh, I guess I should make a side note here. I want to pull this in. So every time I finish trading a stock on the day or I find something important, I would then go through and put it on my watch list on my platform here, right? I mean, look, I have a decent collection here. I mean, you know, I'm going to put Red Hat on RHT, Red Hat on my watch list tonight. And after that scan I do on Finviz, I turn my head, I look on this watch list, and I look at what's going on with all my past previous play and see if I miss anything, right? So if I find something like, ooh, Funko is down 3.5% today, FNKO, change the chart, look at that, and come up with ideas from there. That's how I scan nightly and make my watch list. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I will be putting out more videos in the future and trade recap videos as well. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks.